Another interesting feature in Stager is decal. You can insert your any logo, any artwork by drag and drop on this. For example, if you go to the texture filter here, you can simply click and drag on any texture. For example, it's better to create drag and drop our logo. Look at, for example, this logo, anything that you want. Simply click and drag from your window and drop it on here. And waiting for loading. And now, as you can see, this is a decal. You can simply with click and drag and move it in any position and direction that you want. Or you can come here and very simply click and drag it here and add another texture to that. And how you can manage that if you want. Okay, come here. This is an cloth backdrop object here. And if you select that in an object manager, as you can see, this is a material part. I will be explaining material in a separate lesson. But this is a default material. You can see it. This is a graphic, and this is like Photoshop, exactly like that. You can click and drag it below the graphic, this graphic decal. And as you can see, if you click on here, and we go to the settings, it's placement called decal. And if you select the graphic too, you can change the placement to fill, as you can see, to fill the whole cloth. And here you can design your texture with that software. So you can select that. You can simply come here and rotate it. You can hold on shift and make it smaller and bigger. Also, you can make it smaller and bigger here. And these are tileable, or the software tile it very well. So we have two placement, fill and decal mode. Because it is in repeated, you can create a tile, or you can mirror it if you want. Create your own pattern mirror mode. For offset, you can change the offset in a YX. You can rotate it also here. By this, you can rotate by these handles here. You can change the repetition here, but I scale it with holding shift. Or if you want to scale not proportionally, you can scale in this direction, scale in this direction that you want. For this case, I delete that to better see this decal here. You have to select it from there. Don't forget. And as you can see, you can scale it in this direction. And then you can go select it, and it's a decal mode. Nice. You can reorient it again. This is an scale. You can add a exact number to back again at the corresponding part dimension. Okay, it's nice. Here it's autosave. Here you can change the opacity of that. Nice opacity. Here you can change the roughness. You can make it no roughness here. You can make it metallic. As you can see, you can make it full metallic, and it is. You can see the reflection on it. Interesting. To better see reflection, I insert another object to better see that on it. Nice. Hit F to focus on it, and I insert my decal here. In this case, I import two decal, number 1, and then number 2, then number 2. And as you can see, they are inserting on top of each other. Then you can replace it with click and drag very easily. Nice. I make it bigger. Replacing there. Nice. You can change the image also here. This is in decal mode. You can make it full metallic. Nice. You can change the roughness for more smooth. You can see there. In this graphic, for better seeing that, I like to insert this HDRI image to better see. Oh, now the reflections. Holding shift and right click to change the rotation. I think, yeah, that's better. Going to the coffee cup, as you can see, it has two parts. If you select it, you have to select the place that you insert your material. Select the material. As you can see, in the coffee cup body, we have our material. I make it full metallic, and you can see metallic reflection on it. Nice. You can see. Anywhere in the software, it's important. This coffee has two parts. In which part we assign that materials? You have to select the correct part. Go to the material tab, and then you can access the materials and decals that you inserted. The projection is UV. It's the best way, based on UVs. And I explain materials later. Okay, decal. As you can see, we have metallic on that. Anywhere in software that you see this plus icon means you can add a map, black and white map, to the roughness, to the metallic, or anything that you want. We make it not metallic, or you can make it roughness to the 0. In this case, we have more metallic. So you can see these reflections. So you can mapping the metallic with this plus. If you plus, you can insert your black and white image. Look at what happened here. Okay, this is our black and white image. It means in a black area, we have 0 of metallic. In a white, we have 100% metallic. You can click and drag and drop it there. And as you can see there, in the black area, we don't have any metallic. In these parts, we have metallic because of this map. So you can mapping everything, every comment that had this plus with black and white images. Or PNG, it's not important. You can see here, we have metallic, we don't have metallic in a black part. So you can mapping your decals with that. That's it. It's a decal. It's very easy in actions. You can, if you want, you can mirror it in any axis that you want. It's very simple. Oh, it's mirror something else. Don't want mirror metal, just everything. So, or you can import your artwork from your Photoshop, from Illustrator, because they're all Adobe softwares. They're connecting to each other, and you can import artwork. It's very easy. Okay, you can insert Adobe Illustrator files very easy on any part that you want. Adobe Illustrator or anything that you want. Simple, and then you can delete it if you want. Okay, that's decal. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.